This video here is not on YouTube to be uploaded. I'm sorry. I was using every clip from Pokemon, Power Rangers, and more, but they keep blocking. I don't know why it's blocked worldwide. That includes some countries. I've done all I could to get the upload to be available as in public, and I couldn't. So now I'm giving you a guide from Google Drive in case you can find those clips everywhere here. I can put it on Facebook instead. You know, from social media top to bottom, and you know World in Melee. I don't think I have time to do a long talk. Bye. And anyway, look at the description from Facebook and Google Chrome that I uploaded. You know past television. And remember, YouTube, you can install your uploader username during the upcoming registration age.